Hey there YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris Hartman, and today I'm going to talk to you about a school project that we did this week that was inspired by the photographers Jada and David. So I have to give them credit because they are the two photographers that did the project 100 sets in 1 year. And they created sets and photographed them, and I stole that idea from my school projects. So as you might know, I am a high school teacher and I teach in a cosmetology class. Now, every year we get new students, and for them, it's the first time they've done a project. But for me, I see the same projects over and over and over again. And the first project that they do is a hair and makeup project where they're just getting comfortable working on another human being. So it's a very intimate space to do makeup on somebody. And so we just want to have an icebreaker where they use colors and then they kind of go wild with their imagination with no set design or anything like that. So I kind of call this an icebreaker or throwaway project where we don't really worry about the end result, but we have a lot of fun with it. So every year I try a different lighting setup or a different backdrop or something like that. And this year, inspired by Jada and David, I created their version or my version of their box, this forced perspective box. And what I did was on my CNC at home is I created a box and I made these little wooden squares and have circles in them. And I realized that when I made this circle is the last circle that goes in there and it was too small. So I nixed that one, and all we have here as a setup is we have a Westcott FJ400 with a small strip box here, and it's going to light kind of the front of this box and some of the panels inside. This up top here is open, so some of the lights gets in there. Truthfully, I left my C-stand at home. What I should have is the light box right over top of here, or this strip box, I mean, and then it would illuminate these better, but I forgot my my C-stand at home, so this is what we've got. Then this light right here, the FJ400, this is going to illuminate the students behind the box, and their head is going to be visible on this side. Lastly, at the very back, I have an FJ80, and all it is lighting up this pink backdrop so that when the person stands back here, their backdrop is illuminated. It's not that dull color. So from back here, I've moved the lights closer to me. And then we have some shots where we can actually see the majority of the top half of our body. And then I had the students rush up to the front of this box. And I said, about an arm's length away, and they could play with whatever pose they wanted to within this space. We won't see much of you anyway. So if we stay here, I'm telling both of you, when the light is this close, you have like this much space. So like you don't want to be too close because then the light can't hit your face, but you can like reach a hand through, you can like frame your face like that. Does that make sense? Yeah. And then when you come back here, you don't have to worry too much about posing because I'm going to get you from here up. So I'll just be like, oh, up, down, like that much movement, and then just a smile will be fine. Okay, you want to start at the back?
Sure.
Right about there. And then if you don't know what to do with your hands and you feel awkward, put them on your hips. Okay. You won't see them anyway. Ah, perfect, actually. Okay, micro, like, no, just a lean this way a little bit. Okay, right there. And then a little bit of a smile. Okay, and then you're going to point your chin up towards the sky into that corner. And then just bring me your eyes. And then a little bit of a smile. Come look.
I'm scared.
That looks great, doesn't it?
Wow.
Oh, look at that. That looks like super. Yeah. Okay, let's get one more from there, then we'll get you closer. 1, 2. And then micro step this way. And then eyes.
Wait. Can you see my eyes in that? Like.
Nope, you're in shadow.
Okay.
Do you want to see your eyes? So all in all, this was an excellent, fun project that the students were really good sports about it. they played quite well with this idea, and they laughed it up, and they posed, and this is their first photo shoot they've ever had in class, so they did a really good job. This was really cool. I'd love to shoot a couple of professional models with it, so that the hair and makeup isn't kind of a beginner's look. So again, this was inspired by Jada and David. We had a lot of fun with it. Here are some of the photos that we got from this look. And yeah, until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you. If you have any questions or anything like that, give me a shout. Again, have a good week.